Hey there! We have a new product that we just launched, a nostalgic yet fun solutions that attracts every prospect of yours to engage. Introducing the Gumball X. We have integrated hardware to the Gumball X, which lets your prospect put the information, play games, watch a video to get a chance to spin. You might be thinking where it best fit in. It works best for product launch, mall and in-store activation, brand pop-ups, festivals, and public activations. If you're interested to know more, just drop us a message.